Hey, what is up, bro? My name is Super Justin Bros. Welcome back to my channel. But guys, I almost forgot that in my first video of my blogger. So now, wait, let's start it. Okay, we have this angel, and there's the lights. Where it come from? There's a rabbit, a candle, and this. Wait, where's the missing one? Ah, of course they broke it. Also, this one is Noel music box, and this one that's the flakes from soap on the bathroom. Also, all of them are angels, and this is our TB plus, which means it bringing in April 30. You didn't see that, right? Also, we have Dubai, and this one is metal. Singapore, there's a Carabao, and our Xbox 360, which we didn't play this. So that means Mama will be here on December 7. You would just wait a minute. Also, there's a broken one. Mickey. Oh no. They broke it now. And also this one is broken. It's a broken gloves. So also we buy a new one. Wait, where's the... Okay. We don't need to open... Never mind. We have to open this. It's a glass. It's very old now when I'm just a kid. We don't need to pick all of this, because I will going to break someone else. And there's a giraffe, and it's for pyramid. And this camel we ever see. And this our pyramid. Biggest, bigger and big. Because this is called pyramid. And they're all of them hiding in this one. Which means you cannot see. There it is. So now let's start. It's all of those. And then also Nanay's old pictures. And our this. And our internet PLDT my DSL. Hey guys, did you have this one or not? Let me comments below, okay? And there's a drink, which it's bottle. We ever see that, but it's expired now. Expired. And there's our refrigerator, because this refrigerator is broken, and we have a new one. We have a new refrigerator here. And also we have Nanay's bicycle. ah, excuse me, because it cost 4. Hey grandpa, you know how much this Nanay's bicycle?
36.
Yeah, ano?
36,000.
There's 36,000 pesos. It's so big. And our Eidos sprinkles, and our coffee. And refrigerator. We have so many magnets, and in the back, and this one. And also I will open it, but I will need to be careful not to break this because I'm the most stronger. Okay, we have all of them like Dutch mill. I cannot see. Cream O and blueberry. And there's the bread. So many eggs and all of those chocolate and those foods. Then banana Q and I don't know this and eggplant. It's so ugly. And also there's inside. Is there a banana? Nope. It's calamansi. So next, the other one is the frozen refrigerator. Look how cool it is. Look at this. It's frozen. I know. Can I touch this one? And also this one is for food. Also, I don't know. And that one, it's a ice. It's a ice. It's a ice inside. Also, you will going to scrap this one. And our food in the frozen. And this is our oven. Huh? What's going on here? So okay, that's all of them. My laptop is here. Thank you guys so much. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe in the description below. Make sure subscribe my channel, okay? For 400 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. See you next day in this video. Good Sunday for you, bro.